Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction. How you guys doing today? So guys, I'm here back again in another reaction video to the group RBD. This is part 2 to their tour del Adiós. I filmed another video. It's not in the best visual graphics, but it's good enough for me to follow along. So hopefully when everything converted in YouTube and SD and HD and stuff, hopefully it can make it a little bit better. Let me see if I could change. Oof. Oh, that's the best quality. Oh wow. Oh, let's just get started. Oh. Come on. Someone did explain that this was basically the ending of the career together as the whole band. Okay. Acaríciame un momento. Te daré el último beso. Te daré el último beso. Guardaré mis sentimientos y me iré lejos. Solo quédate en silencio. 5 minutos. Acaríciame un momento. Ven junto a mí. Te daré el último beso. Work. Harry Potter, Dumbledore. Oh, love that light. Come on, blondes. It's my guitarist in the back.
Entonces me imagino dentro de tu piel, pero pierdo en el intento.
Ooh, they better sing.
Por más que busque busco darte amor, nunca te fijas en mí. Si supieras que puedo morir por ti, inalcanzable como estrella tan distante, un amor casi imposible, invisible como el aire. Eres tan inalcanzable, tan sublime como un ángel, un amor casi imposible, como fuego que no arde, que me has vuelto inalcanzable.
Okay, Chris, I see you over there, sir.
Vivo en la vereda de tu soledad, cuando alguien te lastima.
Alfonso.
Ganas de decirte que no hay nadie más.
Ooh, that purple looks good.
¿Cuánto, Sao Paulo?
Como duele verte suspirar, porque no te hace feliz. Si supieras que puedo morir por ti, por ti. Inalcanzable como estrella tan distante, un amor casi imposible, invisible como el aire. Eres tan inalcanzable, tan sublime como un ángel, un amor casi imposible, como fuego que no arde, que me has vuelto inalcanzable, inalcanzable como estrella tan distante, un amor casi imposible, invisible como el aire. Eres tan inalcanzable, tan sublime como un ángel, un amor casi imposible, como fuego que no arde, que me has vuelto inalcanzable,
Oh, Christian and his mouth movements when he sings. Ah, the dramatic. Okay, that's cute. Cute. Da 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 da.
En el silencio de mi habitación, aún siento el murmullo de tu voz, lastimándome con un dulce adiós, dejándome vacío el corazón.
Sin verlo llevo.
Come on stage, brother.
Cada recuerdo es una lágrima. No sé cómo seguir para estar de pie.
I love this look on Chris.
Digo que es la última vez y vuelvo a caer cuando pienso en ti. No soy nada sin ti. Y no puedo olvidarte si te veo en todas partes. En el último beso me robaste el aliento. Y no puedo olvidarte si te llevo en la sangre. En el último abrazo.
One thing I love about the performance, it's, how can I say it? It's organic. It's organic. The live instruments, the live vocals, everything is organic. I really do like that purple light.
Para entender que todo terminó.
Intento salir de la soledad, darle al destino una oportunidad, mas vuelvo a caer cuando pienso en ti. No soy nada sin ti. Y no puedo olvidarte si te veo en todas partes. Si en el último beso me robaste el aliento. Y no puedo olvidarte si te llevo en la sangre. Si en el último abrazo aún me pierdo despacio. Y no puedo olvidarte. Y no puedo olvidarte. Y no puedo olvidarte. Y no puedo olvidarte. No sé cómo, no sé cuándo olvidarte. Me hace daño. No sé cómo, no sé cuándo olvidarte. Me hace daño.
No puedo olvidarte. Y no puedo olvidarte.
Mm.
Y no puedo olvidarte.
Y no puedo olvidarte.
That was cute performance. I like that. That's very cute performance. This is a very good way to a final ending tour before they disbanded. This is a very good tour. Are those phones?
Oigan, ¿se la están pasando bien?
Yes. Yes. I love this.
La siguiente canción
Okay, Michael Jackson.
es una canción que de corazón
This concert was very Michael Jackson inspired.
Por todo el apoyo y por estar siempre con nosotros y siempre vamos a recordar esta noche. Siempre. Necesito que me ayuden a cantar la siguiente canción.
I'm drinking Hennessy and apple juice. Oh, uh-oh.
This is Light of the World tonight. Save me, I think they're crazy. No, I can't be all alone.
Okay.
Can you hear me? Can you see me? I'm trying to find hope.
Oh. Whoa, oh,
Energy pumping through my body. Can you feel the electricity from me? Flashing lights everywhere, no time to look. Something's there, just release and let it be. Get crazy!
whoa, 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 oh.
Everybody!
Whoa, oh, whoa,
Venus como una estrella, puede brillar cada instante.
A very good. I think he would do a very good as a rock star. A very good rock star. Oh, 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 oh. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Shine just like the stars. We're gonna light up the world. We're gonna light up the world tonight.
Whoa, 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 oh. Whoa, 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 oh. Whoa, 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 oh. Whoa, 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 oh.
Every moment moment in my life. Every day that passes by, I just try to be myself.
Yeah.
This is who I need to be. Let the music set you free. If you're in need of feel, get crazy.
Oh, oh, oh.
Everybody.
Whoa, oh, whoa, oh.
Vides como una estrella, puede brillar a cada instante. Vides como una estrella, puede brillar a cada instante. Shining just like the stars, we're gonna light up the world tonight. We're shining just like the stars, we're gonna light up the world. We're gonna light up the world tonight.
Oh, oh, oh. Hey, whoa, whoa.
We're gonna light up the world tonight.
Whoa, 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 oh, oh. Whoa,
Gonna light up the world tonight.
whoa, oh, oh, oh.
Más fuerte.
Oh, I live for this audience.
Gonna light up the world tonight. Vides como una estrella, puede brillar a cada instante. Vides como una estrella, puede brillar a cada instante. Shining just like the stars, gonna light up the world tonight. Shining just like the stars, we're gonna light up the world. We're gonna light up the world tonight.
Whoa.
We're gonna light up the world tonight. We're gonna light up the world tonight.
Oh. So I'm gonna end it right there because I have to rush to go to a meeting. So I'm gonna put this as part 2 to the song. I'm gonna end it with Chris because I really like that performance. I think he can be a very good rock star. He's not the strongest vocalist from the group, but I think that was a very good for him. It stayed within his realm of his vocal ability. So he did such a good job. And I love that whole look. As I said over and over, I know a lot of people comment me talking about college. He just looked like someone who I went to college with. Fun times. I recommend anyone to go to college. Please go to college at least 2 years. If you don't like it after the first year, you don't have to stay. Go. But I believe everyone should go to college, experience college. Preferably somewhere, if you can afford it, somewhere that's not around your city or where you live. Somewhere out, meet new people, because trust and believe me, it was an experience. But that was RBD. This would be part 2 to their tour del Adiós. And I will try to come back and finish the rest and get this uploaded as fast as possible. As always, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I get to them as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.